subject Maths Standard 2nd. Hello everyone, I am Nilofer. Today we will learn a new topic. Students, as compared to senior KG, the length of your height has increased. So you are little taller now. What can you see in this picture? Do you know how to measure the length of this tree? Let us learn. Let us learn today how to measure distance from one end to the other of the longer or longest side of the object. So student, today we are going to learn a very interesting lesson. The name of the lesson is length. What is length? Length is the term used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to the another. It is used for identifying the size of an object or distance from one point to another. Which is the correct method of measuring two pencils? As you can see on the screen, on the right hand side, the end of two pencils are touching the surface, and on the left hand side, the end are not touching the surface properly. So student, the right method is on right hand side. The length can also measure using by scale. For example, use to measure length of pencil. As you can see the picture, in length of pencil is 12 centimeter. See here, 12 centimeter. Now let us measure the length of painting brush with the help of pencils. One pencil, two pencils, three pencils, four pencils. So the length of brush is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 pencils. Let us the length of measure the painting brush with the help of scale also. The painting brush is 14 centimeter. See here, 14 centimeter. Now to measure compass box, let us use a crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, so length of compass box is equal to 5 crayons. And let us measure the compass box on scale. So the length of compass box is 13 centimeter. See here, 13 centimeter. You know students, we can also use hand span, foot span and cubit to measure length. Do you want to know how we can use these things? The way hand span is used to measure length of an object. How to measure foot span? Foot span is distance from the tip of the toe to the heel of the foot. This way, we can measure the length of any area using foot span. Example, the length of one side of the classroom is 7 foot spans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is known as cubit measurement. How to measure with cubit? Cubit is the length from the elbow to the end of the fingers. Teacher has measured the length of the table using cubit measurement. So students, the length of the side of table is equal to 2 cubits. Now let us measure objects using blocks. Count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So students, the length of lollipop is equal to 9 blocks. Another example is find out length of screwdriver using some blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The length of screwdriver is equal to 11 blocks. Now let us measure length of watch using scale again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The length of watch is equal to 11 centimeter. Let us write the length in boxes. The length of crayon is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeter, and the length of lollipop is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 centimeter. Circle the correct length of object. Find out the measure of clip using blocks. So the measure of one clip is equal to 4 blocks. Next, find out the measure of one pencil using block. So the measure of one pencil is equal to 6 blocks. Find out the measure of crayon using blocks. So the measure of one crayon is equal to 5 blocks. The length of light is 11 centimeter and the length of spoon is, tell me student, yes, 8 centimeter. Very good. Measure each object using blocks. First, we will measure this pencil with the help of blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many blocks are there? 6. Now next, we will measure the pen brush. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many blocks are there? 15. Measure of fish tank using cubit. The length of fish tank is equal to 3 cubit. Let us measure television using handspan. The length of television is equal to 1, 2, 3 handspan. Let us do a quick recap of what we have learned today. The measured distance from one end to another of the longer to longest side of the object is called as length of an object. Length can be measured using objects handspan, footspan and cubit. So students, the activity for this lesson is you will find out the length of each side of your house using footspan. Write each length in your notebook. The length of each side of your mobile phone using scale and write down this homework in your maths notebook. Thank you.